Okay, we're gonna try something a little different today. Oh yeah, what's up everybody? KB here from KB's Traveling Massage, and we're gonna do a little walk and talk today. I am headed to a printing shop to see what it would cost me to get some t-shirts made. So I thought I would take you along with me and tell you a couple stories from the massage table. Hey, that may be what I end up calling this, stories from the massage table. So, I don't know how many of you know, but I am a sports massage therapist. Sports/therapeutic massage therapist. I came out here to Thailand to learn Thai massage and Thai language. So I've been doing massage for 20 years now, and I have lots of weird and sometimes funny stories that have happened to me while doing the profession of massage, and wanted to tell you about a couple of the stories that I have. First one, this was many years ago. I'm working on a lady that I know very well. I've been working on her for probably 7 years at that point. Very nice lady, and of course I'm not going to give names, and I might change the story just a tad bit so as not to give away who I'm talking about. But I was working on her at her house in the living room. Her best friend is there visiting, watching her get a massage, which, hey, you know, I've come across weirder things. But anyway, I'm working on her legs, and I move up to her glutes, her butt. And I'm working on her right butt cheek with my elbow, stretching out her piriformis, which is the stabilizer muscle, way down deep. And the only way to really get to it is through the glute, using your elbow or your forearm. And so I'm putting pressure on her glute, and she says, "Hey, have you ever had anyone fart on you?" And I'm like, "What do you mean?" She said, "While you're doing this move, have you ever had anybody fart on you?" And I said, "Well, yes, I have." And she said, "How embarrassing was it?" And I said, "Well, for me, it wasn't embarrassing at all. And the guy who did it to me didn't seem to react. He didn't seem embarrassed. So I thought it was okay." And so I'm putting pressure on her glute, and I can tell that she's like holding her breath, not relaxing. Not that that's a relaxing part of the massage, but not relaxing. Then all of a sudden, I hear, and yeah, so she farted on me. Worst part about it is my face is kind of in the glute area, so yeah, that was a wake-up call. And it's not the first, it's not the last. I've had several people fart on me. Just comes with the territory. It's part of the job. Now, I will say that when she farted on me, she did turn red, and she did say she was sorry. And I was like, "Why didn't you just tell me? I would have backed off, and you could have gotten up and, you know, done what you had to do." And she said, "I knew if I moved it was going to happen anyway, so I couldn't help it. Like I said, it's part of the job. It's not that big a deal. So we have to walk this way a little bit to get to the printing shop. We are on the backside of the Nimman area. If you look through my catalog, I did a review of a hotel that is over in this area. $25 a night. Pretty nice hotel. Nice enough anyway for $25 a night. Swimming pool connected to a pretty nice hotel restaurant. If you're coming to Thailand and looking for accommodations that aren't going to break the bank, check that video out. That hotel might be what you might be looking for. Anyway, I think we have a couple more soys before we get to that shop, or at least that turn off. This is Thailand. Move out of the way so she can see around the corners. Driving here is always an adventure. Oy, oy. With traffic and motorbikes. I like this. The curbs here are really high, so the motorcycles can't get on the sidewalk and drive, which you see often here. One of the things I hate about Thailand. But that's for another video, which I will probably be filming here in the near future. It's not horribly hot here, but it is warm. I think I'm going to check on these things here. I think this is my street that I have to turn down. Yeah, this is it. I think I'm gonna walk to the old city after I check on the prices for these shirts. So probably on the way to the old city is when I will tell you guys the second story. All right, I am not going to wear this getup into the print shop, so I will get back with you guys as soon as I finish my business. All right, so just finished getting the quote for 10 t-shirts to be made here in Thailand. It is 2,800 baht, which about $80. somewhere around there. I guess we'll walk down here and see my massage therapist friend and then head into Old Town. Yeah. Crazy, even traffic in the little streets. Oh wow, I'm not even sure what that is, other than horrible driving. I guess they overshot their little turnoff. There it is, the Bury Siri Hotel. That's it right there. Right there. Nice hotel. Oh, I'd like to get across the street here. All right, we finally got across the street. Going down, going down swinging. I'll be your number one with a bullet. A loaded gun complex, cock it and pull it. Anyway. Tuk. Yeah, so story number 2. I was working at a chiropractor's office. This was probably '06? No. 2007 in Texas, where I live. And I have this older gentleman come in to get a massage. And he's got to be 75. So he comes in. He says, "Oh my God, my back is killing me. I need you to fix it." So I said, "Okay." I said, "Go ahead, get undressed, and hop on the massage table, and I'll be right back." So I leave the room so he can get undressed and get on the massage table, and I knock on the door. He says, "Come in," and I walk into the room. Okay. So there I am. I come into the room, and the guy is standing in the room next to the table, totally naked. catches me off guard. I'm like, what are you doing? You need to be on the table, under the sheets. And he's like, oh, you wanted me on the table under the sheets? I said, yes. So he says, okay. So he proceeds to get on the table, still totally naked, and not under the sheets, just laying on top of the sheets. And he's still naked. And I'm like, oh my God, dude, I need you to go ahead and get under the sheets. And he goes, oh, you want me under the sheets? I said, yeah. So I pull the sheets over him, and he's laying there. And then he got hot. So he kicks the covers off, still butt-ass naked, laying on the massage table. So I'm like, at that point, I just want to get it over with and get it done. So I think I had maybe 15 minutes left of the massage. So I went ahead, finished the massage, and that was the end of that. He got up before I got out of the room, of course, still butt-ass naked, and started putting his clothes on as I was leaving the room, and left me a $20 tip. So I couldn't complain too much, but it was definitely not what I was expecting. So I wanted to start off with a couple of tame stories. I've got so many stories from 20 years of massage. But yeah, so stories from the massage table. All right, I think we're gonna end this video here. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you got something out of the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you're new here, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I put out new content. Anyway, thanks for walking with me. Talk to you later. Bye.